I'm going to do a burn test today on the Assassin 48 grill slash smoker. I made my maize pieces out of 2x2, 10-inch long, 3/16-inch steel. I got 8 of those in there. Today I'm using royal oak briquettes and small chunk cherry wood. Let's see what kind of burn time I can get out of it. I'm also going to use the Guru today. Try to keep it right at 250. Might as well cook some spares while I'm at it. I'll be back in a minute when the charcoal gets lit. For initial startup, I used about a half a chimney of charcoal. Gonna check this now. It's 6 hours in. Looks like it's just halfway through. Maybe just a little over halfway through. So, looks like it's right on spot. Hopefully I can get a 10 hour is what I'm shooting for. I got like an 8.5 I think the last time. And trying to get a little bit longer burn time. Just took the ribs off. Gonna let them sit. Rest for a minute. And I'll be back when this thing comes down the temp and see what the test time is. I ended up getting a 11-hour cook, which I'm more than happy with. It's still running 232 degrees, which it could drop to 225 and I'd be happy with. Probably add another half hour onto that. See how much charcoal's left. I did remove some plates along the way, so it's on its last run of about probably 10 inches. But that long a cook on this smoker slash grill, I am very pleased with. Thanks for checking it out.